So I moved that away from there. And yes, I am going Google Chrome away from there. And yes, I am going to install Firefox after this. So today we're going to be doing a basically comparison between Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and Internet Explorer 11. Now, I think some things like, I'm going to tell you for straight up fact now that YouTube doesn't actually, on my laptop, YouTube doesn't actually work on Internet Explorer anymore. But I've tried it on another computer, an older Windows 7 computer. No, not that one. And it did actually work. Because I remember it used to do old version and then new version and not work. So unless it works for a while, unless they bought back the new version for a while, then they keep on changing it. It's very confusing. Now let's just do a quick open up test. So see, I've actually got Google Chrome pinned to my taskbar there because that's the main browser. Well, that's the browser I use. Anyway, let's see. Okay, that was no good. Let's try, see how long it takes to open. 1, 2 seconds. Microsoft Edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, I'd say. Not a very good start. Microsoft, fix your browser. This isn't including the old Edge. What? No. Not now. Okay. 1, 2. Ooh, that was nice. I think I should redo that. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, because it was the tabs. So 2 seconds, yeah. Is that more square? That's my imagination. And then Internet Explorer. 1, 2, 3. That was, whoa, 2 seconds. Microsoft. Let's try that again, actually, for proof. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 seconds. And then Internet Explorer took 2. So now we're going to open all of the browsers. So Microsoft Edge is not a very good start, Microsoft Edge, which is very surprising. That's almost 5 seconds, to be honest. And then Internet Explorer. Okay, so then some of them do open as default as Google, google.co.uk. We're going to perform this test on all of the web browsers. Google. Also, I don't know why it's not showing my profile picture because it does show it on another lap, and it does show it in settings. Google.co.uk, and it's showing the results as well. And Firefox, google.co.uk, and then we're going to try reloading it. Google.co.uk. So, Google Chrome, 3, 2, 1. 1. That was very fast. Microsoft Edge. 1. Firefox. 1. Almost 2. I think that was a privacy reminder half. So I'd say that 1, maybe 1.5. Actually, Microsoft Edge probably take about 4.5 seconds to open, actually. And then Internet Explorer 11. 1. That's nice and fast. Maybe because it's already open, so this test probably won't be that accurate. Now let's try youtube.com on all the browsers. And obviously, like I said at the beginning, it's not going to work on Internet Explorer on my browser. youtube.com. Not signed in on Firefox. Actually, youtube.com. So Google Chrome, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, or maybe 2.5. Okay, Microsoft Edge, 3, 1, 2. I'd say about the same time. Firefox, 1, 2, 3. I'd say almost 3, or maybe 2.5. Internet Explorer, 1, 2, 3. But that was also, it took about 1 second to actually get to the bit where I opened Edge automatically. And now I need to not show my name and go to appearance and change it back to system default. Boom. Okay. And then it's okay, does that. Okay, now let's close all the browsers. Now let's try going to my website on all of the browsers. We're not going to click any links like that. But we know the channel. We're not going to try channels and don't do the whole thing. I'm going to try channels because I don't want to go through the press. I don't want to go through the stress of Internet Explorer again. Then so, and then that's that, and then yes, I get to keep my favourite browser. Yep, gets to be kept to itself. Oh, what? Yay, look, my best browser gets to be kept to itself. Chrome, you're always going to be my favourite browser. You're amazing. Okay, my website, my personal website, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, and 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. Ooh, that was a bit quicker, to be honest. 1, 2. Yeah, about the same. Then this one, I have to go back on it. 1, 2. Ooh. Okay. Interesting results. I wasn't expecting that. Now let's try Benno's website.uk. Benno.uk. Benno.uk. And Benno.uk. Yeah, comments are far from being enabled on this video. Come on. So, Google Chrome, Benno.uk. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. Microsoft Edge, Benno.uk. 3, 2, 1, 1. Ooh, okay, Microsoft Edge. I'm not going to use Microsoft Edge, but that is pretty impressive, Microsoft. Just takes a bit of a while to open. So I think it is sort of roughly, I'm not going to do any winners of this, so, because, but it's roughly, because it takes a while to open, it's actually quite good when you're on it. Firefox, Benno.uk. 1. Whoa. Oh, Chrome, you should be looking a bit ashamed at the minute. Benno.uk, Internet Explorer, 11, 1, 2. Oh, what? That was good. And Benno.uk. What? 1. That was less than 1 second. Through the older browsers, including the Internet Explorer, which I know Ben doesn't really like, but that is actually very quick. Let's go on to his games page because I want to do a bit of an Easter egg here. Look, if you didn't know, the site version is a bit older, as you can see. I think. Oh no, maybe it's just because it's layout. If you're on games, this is probably gonna be really quick. Google Chrome. Okay, sorry. 1, less than 1 second. Microsoft Edge. 1, less than 1 second. Firefox. 1 or less than 1 second. And Internet Explorer 11. 1 or less than 1 second. Let's go on Benno Cubes. 1 or less than 1 second. That was Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. 1, a bit longer I think, or less than 1 second. About 1, maybe even 1.5. No, about 1. Into Firefox. 1. Ooh, that didn't have any sound. That's weird. I think that was about 1.5. That was a bit long. And then this is the Easter egg. 1, 2. Yeah, 2. And it's an Internet Explorer's crap. That's the benno.uk Easter egg. If you log onto any of his games on Internet Explorer, it's going to say Internet Explorer is crap, or most of them, definitely. What else should we try? Oh yeah, HTML5 test. And so interesting. I think Microsoft Edge might have actually got a bit quicker there. And Internet Explorer. HTML5. I'm actually going to do Google on all these because I think Microsoft just make it all fair. Because Microsoft sometimes different browsers open different websites. But HTML5 test on Google Chrome, I can say for certain. Google. It does open from the homepage because it is sort of using Google as its homepage. So I want to see what HTML. I know I'm not going to risk it on Firefox.co.uk, and I don't have to risk it on Internet Explorer. Actually, it's already on Google.co.uk, so that was quick. Actually, Internet Explorer was quick. HTML5 test. Okay, so Google Chrome in HTML5 test, and let's also see how much it scores. 1, 2. Hang on, that must go back. Hang on. 1, 2. I think I might have been a bit quicker actually that time. But 528 points. And Edge might be a bit. Oh, I forgot. Edge. Firefox and Edge. I just did the. That one. 1, 2. 528. But it might say it down the bottom of the browser, so I don't think it's got the new Edge on it yet. And then Firefox. HTML. Oh, of course I'm not going it for Google because it's HTML5 test. Oh yeah. Well, there we go. Now, yeah, that wasn't actually going from Google on Microsoft Edge though. How stupid am I? Because it's going from the top search bar. Because there's no Google link bar at the top. It's just 1, 2. About 2.5, 514. Okay, I think the last time I checked was 508 or 509, so that's gone up a bit, but Firefox isn't as good. And we're going to do HTML5 test here because it is, yeah. Anyway, then 1, 2, about 2. I think that would beat Firefox, but, or 2.5, no, about 2 actually. Quicker than Firefox. But look at that score. That is bad. 312. That's not ever changed. I've never seen a different score on Internet Explorer 11 than that. And on this Internet Explorer 8, it scores 33. I think at least 33, and like literally nothing works on there. I don't know if you can get to Google on that anymore. Internet Explorer 8. 312 points. Not very good. I bet even the latest version of Chrome that supports Windows XP would score more than that. Maybe it would score more than Firefox, because Firefox support 52.0, which support the version of 52.0, which because HTML5 only reads as 52.0, and so I'm copying this from actually this is according to the CRT Productions. The latest version for it, well, you can actually see it in this video. It says it calls it 52.0, but it's actually a later version, and it scores 459. Is it? Let me check. I don't think there's any browser which actually does 555. But I'm not too sure. I'm not gonna record anything in it, but and that's Windows 7 using Windows XP in 2020. 459. 459, yeah. Okay, well, I see a lot of other websites I've not checked yet, but actually antivirus downloads, no, I won't do that. I need to install Firefox now. And yeah, that'll be it. Bye. I can uninstall Internet Explorer as well, but I'm not sure if I actually want to do that. Takes to settings. So if I'm installing more modern browsers or more modern apps, it takes me to control panel, or the being programs and features control panel. Install. Oh, it refreshed it. What? Finish. No. But when I tried to install Internet Explorer, it took more back to me to like the control panel. But if you go install Internet, actually I'm not going to show it. But anyway, that will be it to make a settings thing that I've never seen before. I thought they'd updated it, but no. Okay, that'll be it. Bye.